Hello, nobody's like you guys. I'm back with another video. This time it's Andre Stevens that was going through TikTok, and I came across this video of him crying out for prayers and stating that he's in a institution, rehabilitation, and so much more.
Hi Jamaica, how are you? Yes, Jamaica. I'm taking care of myself. I'm at an institution recovering. I get to use my phone once in a while. I asked them if I can talk to them on Facebook and they say I can. Go ahead. Love you, Jamaica. And I'm not going to respond to anything that Wayne posts about me. He could call me all the names in the world. He could do everything he wants to do to destroy my reputation and my credibility. You miss me? If you miss me, tell me yes, teacher. I'm at an institution, see here, me there. I rest on the ground. I play little music. And soon come take me up and give me more medication. I do have a phone that they can call me on. But pray for me, Jamaica. Pray for me. I'm getting better, I'm getting stronger. I'm at an institution recovering. I can't come out of the institution. So the PMP conference was the last place that I came. You're not going to see me anywhere anytime soon. I'm on heavy medication. Can't trim, can't do anything. I'm just given a phone to play my music, a phone to do my live, and they're going to take away my phone again from me. Wanna pray for me? Pray for me. May I stand up, oh God, may I stand up. Oh God, may I stand up. Oh God, we're tired, Jamaica, we're tired. I'm tired, but I want to come out, but I want to come out, but I want to come out. Mama Janet, I want to come out. Oh God. Look whoever destroy me. Oh God. Oh God. Look how them come to destroy me out of my belly. Oh God. May I stand up to them, 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 may I stand up. You know much me do, you know much me do, you know much them try after me, you know much them try after me, you know much them try after me. Stand up, Andre, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, Jamaica, stand up with me, stand up with me. Wanna stand up with me? Will Ryan, you stand up with your brother, you stand up with your brother, Ryan. Ryan, you stand up with your brother. You know, stand up with me. Oh God, I'm tired. I'm tired. I go and mash up them dolly house in Jesus' name. Mash up them dolly house. Mash up them dolly house. Hey! Oh my God! David was one of the greatest musicians. Hey! And I hear this musician playing. We've got glory musician. Tell them, really good David. Really good David. Really David. Really good. Them think them can mash me up. Yes, Fab's legal opinion. Come mash me up. Come mash me up. Mash me up. Mash me up, Wayne. Mash me up, Wayne. Yes, Wayne. Mash me up. Mash me up, Wayne. Hey. Hey. Mash me up, Wayne. Mash me up, Wayne. Mash me up, Wayne. Hey. Bye-bye, Jamaica. Bye-bye, Jamaica. I'm going to get the nurse my phone now.